Hi guys, let's reverse an array. So here we have the input array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we want the output in reverse order 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we have to reverse that array. So let's declare array here and assign the value, and let's get the result and call the reverse function that we need to define here. So let's define function reverse and pass that array here and accept as a parameter here. So now we wanted to loop through this each element and get a new array. So let's declare that new array and return new array. So we'll loop first of our existing input array. So here I'm writing a for loop. So we have to uh, like loop in a reverse order. So we'll take the last index. To get the last index, we have to assign the value array dot length minus one. So array dot length is like we'll count the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So five numbers. So array dot length will be 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. So this 5 is at fourth index. And I greater than or equal to 0. So as we are looping in reverse order, so I will be decrementing. So I minus minus. So the I will be like 4, 3, 2, 1, 9, 0. And when it comes to 0, like for the first loop, 4 greater than or equal to 0 is true. 3 greater than or equal to 0 is true. So in the same fashion, I will go until 0, 0 greater than or equal to 0. And when I becomes minus 1, then this loop will get terminated. Now we have to push to this new array of this element. Then let's push now. New array dot push. So we have to push that element at index I. Now we will console log the result. Let's run this. Let me start the server first. Okay. So we got the reverse order 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you for watching.